So this is Master Calculus, Integration by Substitution. And next up is x plus 1 times x squared plus 2x to the 3/4. Once again, let's let u be our inside function, which is x squared plus 2x. Then du is 2x plus 2 dx. And we can factor out a 2. So 1/2 du is x plus 1 dx. Let's rewrite this expression in a clearer way. Now let's rewrite the expression in terms of u. Where u was x squared plus 2x, and x plus 1 dx was 1/2 du. Now we can move the 1/2 outside the integral sign. Next we can take the antiderivative. And this can be simplified a bit. Then finally we can rewrite the expression in terms of x, where u was x squared plus 2x. And we add in our arbitrary constant, and that's our answer.